This is just corn tortillas that I cut up. Guys, I added the scrambled egg, salt and pepper, and then this meat my husband made last night. Now I'm just gonna add a little cheese.
3 hours later.
Let's go outside while the lights are on. I want to tell you how proud I am of my team. We came through with the cleaning of the garage. It looks like a brand new garage. How am I gonna show? I'm gonna have to turn around the camera. So, oh, but you guys can kind of see, look. It's a brand new garage. A brand new garage. Today we tackled cleaning the garage. Over here on this side, we didn't really touch. You guys see, it's a lot of my mom's stuff that I have to go through and figure out what we're keeping and not keeping. Okay, so here we go. I'm sorry I can't turn on the garage light. I just can't do it right now. But this is where the boys are gonna play. We went through a lot of toys. We got the boys' toys down to these 2 bins. And that's pretty much it. You guys remember it was like a hot mess over here. Then we have the kids. Let me show you guys. These are little baskets I used to use at the old house for the laundry, sorting the laundry. And so this has like workout stuff, baseball stuff, all kinds of balls. I don't remember. Oh, are those gloves? Baseball gloves. That's the foam mat that used to be in my room. I wanted to put it down here, but it ended up there. And that's Millie and Papa's old like kindergarten artwork stuff. These 2 cabinets my husband put together when we first moved in here. And then a lot of our, what do you call it? A lot of our emergency stash is over here. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with this. My husband wanted to use it as like a little wall that keeps the kids in here. This used to be where me and my husband would work out, but now it has like the old stroller that I need to get rid of, our little baseball wagon, his golf clubs. And then we just have like this whole side is a hot mess. This whole side is a hot mess. The garage looks so much better, so much better. The prophet of our church has asked all the members to fast. Oh, thank you. He's asked all the members to fast this weekend, Sunday, tomorrow. So our family started our fast today. Footage that I'm going to show you guys is the food that we ate before we started our fast. We had all sorts of things because no one could decide what they wanted to eat. So you guys, this is not Drake's week. It's not a good week for Drake. He fell 2 days ago, I think. And he like cut open, or was it? No, yesterday, right? He has like a slice on his knee. And then just now it sounded like he like slid and fell. So I'm gonna get dinner ready. So after we break our fast, it'll be food will be ready. So I have bell peppers, carrots. I'm cutting up an onion. We have potatoes. We have cream of chicken that we're gonna add in here. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm in the car. This is my favorite part about dirty straight hair is that I just start curling it. So I curled my hair this morning and then I brushed it out. This is how it came out. I think it's cool. But look at this under eye. Whoa, when I do this reminds me of like Donald Trump. Oh my goodness. Like way too light. Anyways, if you are not keeping a journal, seriously, right now is a great time to keep a journal. Look at the times that we are living through. Journal this experience. This is seriously something for your grandchildren, great-grandchildren to read about. We are going to survive this coronavirus, and and everyone afterwards is going to want to hear about it. Hey guys, so we already ate dinner. How was dinner, Millie?
It was
Pretty good.
delicious.
And right now we are getting ready to, well, I just finished letting Sydney beat me on Connect 4. What? And Millie and Papa were drawing, Daddy's taking a nap, Grandma's on a phone call. We're just hanging out, you guys. We are getting ready to film a Mommy Monday video.
Hi, I just saw Mimi.
Say hello, friends.
Dad, I saw.
Hello,
Hello.
friends.
Yes.
My,
Yes.
look at Mommy. My
Mom.
name.
Now.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. My.
Hi,
What are you making?
Hi guys, today we're making a pizza muffin. Which it's like the Muffin Man. With the apple. But
Is it a muffin man?
yes, it's a pizza muffin man that lives on Berry Lane, and my brother's gonna eat it right now. Eat a bar pizza.
Good morning. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. We have schoolwork going on. Last night I got 0 sleep. I actually slept at 5 o'clock this morning because I wanted to stay up and make sure I give Blaze his medicine. So last night Blaze threw up and then he had a fever. It broke his fever, rotating Tylenol and Motrin. So I gave him his first dose at 2 a.m. and then I stayed up till 5 to give him the second. And yeah, we are going to try and keep Blaze away from Millie, Papa, and Drake, and especially Grandma. The hubs went to work today, but he's been texting me all morning. How's Blaze? How's Blaze? So I don't know. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I couldn't sleep last night. I could not sleep last night.
Close it.
Owen.
Go close it.
Yeah, Owen, you can absolutely print out different kinds of homework. There's all kinds of homework.
Okay, there goes PE. We're having PE right now.
Liz, come on. So you want to see my piano lesson? Is that a good song? Wait, what?
A smoothie.
Why is it called
A smoothie.
my trash?
And then I have a berry smoothie. All of them have spinach in there, banana, fruits. Millie and Papa have the strawberry, mango, grape fruits, and then I have all berries. And I'm gonna change this baby's diaper. Are you feeling better this morning, today? Yeah, he doesn't have a fever. Okay, come on, let's change your diaper.
Because he has little dots, like snow dots, and I like to play with him, and I like to play in the snow with him. and I like to take them when I go to the store. I think I'm done because I don't know what Blaze is saying. Oh, Mom.
Here is a recap on Blaze. He is doing so much better today. I think it had something to do with what he ate yesterday. Before he went to sleep yesterday, he was complaining that his stomach was hurting. And then he was like a little gassy. So then he went to sleep and woke up last night was just, geez, this thing that's going around is just playing with my psyche, because I swear I couldn't sleep because I was like, what are we gonna do? What am I gonna do? And then today we got up and he was passing a lot of gas, and then he had this huge, I know this is TMI, guys, then he had this huge number 2, and he's like bouncing off the wall, like acting like his normal self. I didn't give him any medicine. I sent my husband this. They were playing on Go Noodle today because my husband was texting me asking me how is Blaze doing, but he's just like being his normal self. Like, oh my goodness, the cutest thing ever. And like he was dancing more than Drake. So I don't know, I think we're just saying it had something to do with something he ate yesterday. It's time for Blaze's little nap, so I'm gonna take a little nap with him. But I was trying to say, a YouTuber here that I follow, she does DIYs. She was talking about her experience and how she tested positive. And I watched that yesterday before we went to bed. So that really played with my psyche. And I could not go to sleep. But now I'm so happy to see him like just healthy, you know? I don't know, you guys. Today I am very thankful. Very, very, very thankful for good health, for good health. For family home evening.
No!
Go to We're having what is this, Papa? Tournament?
Yeah,
Connect 4 tournament.
You just...
Papa just lost to the Millie Meister.
I can't believe I beat her 8 times yesterday.
And now, Daddy's gonna lose to the Millie Meister. How are you feeling? Oh, okay. Hold on. You're next.
That's short and Millie's big.
To leave the house. I know I look a little overdressed. It's because I was filming something. I was filming something, but I have my mask, I have my gloves. I'm getting ready to leave the house. We did some homework. We did scripture reading. I'm gonna run a couple of errands. Today's Tuesday, right? I don't know why I thought it was Wednesday. Anyways, but I will be back. I'm not gonna take you guys along with me because seriously, I'm just trying to get out and come in. I feel like I'm like in The Walking Dead, going to hunt for stuff in 2020. Dude, this eyelash is gonna bother me. What's up, Sydney? You want to say something to our friends?
No, I wanted to show you something.
Oh, okay. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.